Okay then, let's head towards this Soviet installation. Doesn't look like we can get through here. Just took the trip up that tree. Takes you across to that little ledge over there. You go all the way across up, and that actually takes you back to the campfire. So there's no little secrets or need to go back up there just yet. We can continue on down the path.
Nothing I can do for him now.
All units, just got word. Constantine is on his way down from the prison. We need to get this mess in order. First day in Siberia, and it happens. 2 years in Afghanistan and another in Indonesia, nothing. But one day out here on the ice, and pop, I get a kill. Watch the man's eyes go glassy as he begged me for something. Not Russian, no clue. I waited with him and watched. 1 minute he was there, and next, nothing. Just meat. I got sick on the snow, all mixed in with the kid's blood, but he's just meat now, and I'm alive. Constantine keeps telling us we're out here for a special reason, tells us we're doing God's work. I'm starting to see that now. Before he arrives. Hey, can anyone hear me? God damn it, we gotta get comms back up.
Ultimate stealth kill. Well, he just heard him say that Constantine is on his way down.
Never seen anything like that. Crazy son of a bitch. Rushing 3 armed men with an axe?
I don't know how they managed to take one of them alive.
Who the hell are these people?
Initial recon said there was an old village up in these mountains, but they expected farmers. Thought they'd surrender without firing a shot.
Farmers. Shit. These are trained guerrilla fighters. It looks like they drove the Soviets out of here.
Might be a good sign. Hang on. I'll go look.
Stay alert.
Something's up. Came from this way.
No, you don't. I'm not using that radio. More bottles in here leads me to believe there's going to be more guards.
There's more of them arriving.
Hell of a big complex this, isn't it?
Until we get someone out here to shut that pump off, I want those crates as far away from the fire as possible. Double time. There's ammo in there, and we can't afford to lose it.
Haven't heard any shots for a few minutes now. I think we're in the clear.
Don't count on it. Stay alert until we get the comms reestablished with the prison. We're on our own out here.
That was Constantine's chopper. What the hell is he doing down here?
Not for me to say. They took one of the natives alive to question him, but it cost us 3 men. I'm guessing Command wants to know what they find out.
Constantine
Gotta
expects
pick
more
our
of us.
time.
Someone's gonna pay for that mistake.
Prioritize the live rounds, and keep them separate from the rations. Got a feeling we'll want those in easy reach.
Yes, sir. Shit. Most of these rations were burned in the blast. I think this
.9mm rounds, flares. Huh. Anyone seen the 50 caliber ammo? Hey, looks like we're gonna be short on ordnance until the next drop.
Right, now there's a guy up top as well, just above me. Hopefully he doesn't see me. No, I don't think he's seen from here. Now here he might be. Let's see if I can catch sight of him. He's not overwatching. Oh, there he is. You can see the tip of his head. Right, he's walking across. Now we're alright. He's not going to see us over here, I don't think. Get some berries. Right, in we go. He must come down then, this guy. I can hear his footsteps, but I don't know where he is. And
You see anything out by the fences?
Nothing. But we didn't see the first ambush until they were already inside. They knew the layout of this place. Shit, this was supposed to be a routine op.
The path is never easy. The Trinity expects us to walk it all the same.
did he just not hear that then? He's coming back. Ah, he stops there, okay. Good night. Right, so let's go and see what this electronics thing does. This computer that's on. Can we not do anything with it? Guess I can't do anything with it.
I know I've taken some jobs of questionable legality, and I know you're not happy about it. But I couldn't pass up this contract. Been trying to get work with Trinity for years. They're discreet, the pay is obscene, and they always have opportunities. Now here I am, and I already want out. We're at an abandoned Soviet installation in the middle of nowhere. No one's telling us low-level contractors what's going on, but I think I might be helping some seriously scary people get a nuke or something equally awful. Honestly, that's the best-case scenario. Ping me back if you get this. I've carved out a secure channel on the network. For an operation like this, you'd think they'd have better security, but I guess that's why they hired me.
Full up on arrows. What you got for me? Weapon bat? Yes. Cool. Ready for that one that time. Over we go. And in we go.
That's it. We're out of time. Shoot him. He'll talk or he'll bleed out. Put him forward. Now. Off we go. Clock's ticking. This guy. Listen to me. Not just you. Your whole family. Everyone. They'll all die slow while we watch. You have one fucking chance right now. Tell us everything.
Oh, I'm digging this pistol already. Save that guy as well. We'll talk to you in a second, but now we have a scroll to read.
The Red Army is coming. I've been tracking them for weeks, watching as hundreds of men build the iron monstrosity across the ice. Men have died, their frozen bodies left scattered in the tundra. No rites of passing, no burial or burnings. These new invaders are cruel, godless men. Do they come seeking the precious metals of the mountain? Or like so many before them, are they drawn here by the divine source? My people must again prepare for war.
The divine source, of course. Which one do you think it is? Let's free this guy.
Adios, Dios. Adios.
They did a real number on him, didn't they?
Adios, Athenatas. Kyrie eleison. They have him imprisoned. Got to.
Oh no. No, no, no.
Damn, he did die. Well, it looks like he's lost a hell of a lot of blood. They must have been torturing him for a long time. Let's see if we can get through this way. pick lock. Whoa, okay. So you actually get pick lock in this game now. That's didn't know that at all. Yeah, so let's see what's through there. Nah, I can't really see anything, can I? Guess I get that a bit later.
How's it looking? I'm not sure I can stop the leak. This doesn't work. We'll have to crimp the pipe and get a new valve. Not sure we'll be able to find spare parts out here.
I left you in charge here.
Yes, sir. But we didn't expect such heavy resistance.
You were to be my eyes. I expected you to see. You must know what is at stake with this operation.
Yes, but no. No.
You don't.
No.
How could someone like you? Go easy. Go easy. Don't fear the suffering. Our goal is within reach, but we must be vigilant. If we succeed here, a new world awaits. One of our own making.
Constantine, you're needed back at the prison right away. We've got a captive who might know something about the artifact.
Remain faithful. We will share in the glory of the divine source.
Oh God, please. What do we do with him? No. Nobody touch him.
Looks like we got another fuel leak.
What the hell happened? This thing is 50 years old. Yeah, looks like the valve failed.
All right, let's get it shut. We can't afford to lose any more after that attack.
Okay, I got this. Hold that part steady. Just need some more leverage. Damn it. Custody stripped. You wanna give me a hand?
Yeah, sure.
Not seeing any more.
We're gonna lose all this goddamn fuel. How's it look?
Damn it. Come on.
There! Open up!
Let's go!
Right, I'm misspotted. Oh, right, we need to get out of here. No, you don't. Phew! Oh, that was close. What the hell did that guy... Oh, he's there. I say the force of the explosion must have knocked him back.
Constantine is here. The man who tried to kill me in Syria. He's violent, dangerous, but worse, he appears entirely devoted to his misguided beliefs. I seem to have a habit of running afoul of religious zealots, but I suppose it all goes with the territory. His men on the radio mentioned a prisoner with information. Could it be one of the natives I've encountered? And if so, what does he know? Trinity will not be kind in their methods. Perhaps I can find him. Find out what he knows. Earning the trust of the locals might prove useful.
I second that. It's probably a good idea. And we can get that chick on our side as well. Right, what should we go for next? Eye for an eye. Nope. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the hunter. Ammunition level. Animal instincts, and then I'd say it might be handy to take another brawler one. Less damage from explosions and fire. Dodge counter. That's sort of an efficiency as a little efficient killer, but I don't need that now. No, I'll go with dodge counter. How are we looking? I presume this area is going to be pretty huge, considering... Oh, there's the heli. Wise move, bird. You escaped me this time. Go, Relic. Hidden away in the train.
Someone's rosary. These beads have been worn away, almost to nothing.
Oh, there's a... Oh, that's for, that's going to actually unveil loads of stuff on the map as well. Is that... Oh, are we just going in there to jump down? I thought there might have been like a zip line. I think we are, though. We're just going to drop down the other side. Yeah, we are.
Not getting in that way without being seen. Must be another way.
There we go. Zipline time.
We got a man down!
Don't shoot. I'm not your enemy.
Who are you people?
All that can come later. If you want answers, then listen close. We've managed to destroy the old radio tower, but there are repeaters that keep them connected. We need to shut them down. Help me, and I'll let the others know they can trust you. We need all the allies we can get.
What's like a side mission? Nice. Oh, lockpick. Yes.
I'll keep an eye out for them.
Good. We don't have much time.
Okay, survival instincts can highlight locations and objects critical to completing missions. That's a side mission then we've got. Can't open that yet. Oh, that's a lockpick as well. Buddy, new friend's just gone up there. Now, when we were taking that zip line, it did look like there is a gap in this fence around the back. Is there anything down there, though? Oh yeah, it looks like we're going over there at some point. Probably not yet. equipment we
No
don't
way to
have.
pull that down yet.
So what do we have in here?
I've infiltrated the ranks of the enemy and learned that they come seeking the rich resources of the mountain. They appear to know nothing of the secret we protect. Those who build the Iron Road are themselves prisoners, slaves of the Red Army. Massive machines now use the Iron Road, bringing more slaves, food, and raw materials for construction of a small city. It is time for me to return to my people so we might plan our attack. If we can inflict heavy losses upon them before they reach the mountain, they may give up and turn back.
Alright, so if we use our survival instinct, you can see there we go. So the green bit is our optional objectives. There we go. So we've got to destroy all 5 of the communicator towers. Salvage, salvage. Can you get further up here? Looks like we can. Oh! And there's a tomb. Okay, where's this tomb at? Let's read this book quickly first.
We were fools. Careless, arrogant fools. We thought we could stop them, but the Red Army outnumbers us. Their weapons are superior, and they just keep coming. Many of my people, including myself, have been captured, forced to work the mines of our own mountain. It's only a matter of time before they discover our secret. When this happens, we must be ready.
Right, let's check the map. Ah, there it is. Well, that's not over this way. Unless it's a case of getting over there. Which I don't think it is. Although that might be a chance. Let's go and have a little look. Full up on herbs. Ah, so it's a hidden campsite. Looks like someone's made a nice little home here. Oh well, there's not for me in here at the moment. Ah, it's a new base camp. Hidden refuge. May as well use it actually quickly. Put our skill point in. Right, rapid crafting. I'll take that. Just reminds me of the bear fight.
But he's clearly had some experience with interrogation techniques before.
We think he's the leader of the Remnant. He has to know about the Divine Source. Find his weakness. Get creative.
This prisoner. Maybe I can find him.
Right, let's head back over there. And we'll just quickly mark that challenge tomb on our map. Same direction, like. Ah, there's one of the communiques.
Communication repeaters. Trinity must have installed these.
One down, 4 to go. Oh, there's something on the other side of that. I'll have to remember to check that. That's salvage. Is that salvage as well? Can I knock this off? I think I'm going to need fire arrows to burn that down, which I don't have yet. You can't shoot that off either. Oh, relic. Sneaking away around here.
A family photograph. Russian, late 1950s. Perhaps one of them was imprisoned here. Something's written here. Remember.
Ah, nice. Level 2 Russian. Well, let's get around the other side and see what this thing is. It's quite handy in this, actually. There's some salvage here. I wonder, can I just... Yeah, nice.
You've been the first to light a star of progress. Huh. In praise of cosmonauts.
Soviet flag. Can I do out with it? Combat knife. Ah, right, that must be one of the challenges, so I need a combat knife to actually do that challenge, okay. Need to keep that in mind. Nearly, whoa. I think we're full up on... yeah. Compound ball parts, nice. Good. Well, let's see, is there a way? And that rope is still... I don't think there is, you know. Oh god, wolves! Where the hell did they come from? They've just gone back in that cave. Let's hunt them down. Here they go. Ah, nice, we've got arrow retrieval from that. See, that's why that comes in so handy. Come on, skin the deer. There we go. Should we go in? Let's. Into darkness. Not a chance that time, Mr. Wolf. So that challenge then is just to go in different caves, I guess. I presume there's going to be about 4 or 5 of these then. Mushrooms? Just revealed, whoa, plenty of stuff around us. Right, so there's 5 caves to explore. Bit more ore over here. Here. I think that's all she wrote for this cave, apart from this mushroom, which we're full up on. Did not mean to do that, of course, then I thought I had my bow out. It was instant reaction to knock my bow. Oh, and he's got away as well. Right, so which way should we go? Oh well, Talon's Tomb's supposed to be right here. Literally right here, so it's underneath us, it's got to be. To do with this. Ah.
These markings, they're not Russian. A warning, maybe?
Well, we found the way in. Yeah, so it's further down here. I did mean to climb down the ladder then, rather than just let poor Lara just fall. Something down there. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. There's quite a few little... Oh, there's something down here. Oh, it's just more rock.
Looks like this was abandoned in a hurry. Did the Soviets find something down there?
Just gonna check around here first before we head inside. Gather and collect all we can. Plenty of ore.
The Prophet was persecuted, and so were his followers.
Greek level 3. Can't see anything else. I'm expecting there to be some sort of manuscript or some sort of document hidden around here. Right, let's head inside.